Hello dear students, our lesson today is about literal expressions. Let's remember first about what do we mean by an operation, expression, statement, and literal expression. Operation, expression, statement, and literal expression. Which one here about these four? We have an operation. Operation, just one operation, That's the operation, yes, it's 20 minus 5. It's just one operation, which is subtraction. An expression, we said an expression, we have one or two or more than two operations. More than two operations, so we have here minus, plus, and division, so it means that's an expression. What about a statement? Statement, it means, which one is a statement? Yes, the double of x. When we say the double of x, it means 2 times x, the double, 2 times x. And what about the literal expression? Literal expression, it means it's an expression, but we have letters inside it. It means we have an expression and a letter. Which one about these we have an expression and letters? Yes, here down. That's called literal expression. It means we have more than two operations, as we say here, plus, minus, division, and we have also letters x, y inside it also. So the operation, the expression, the statement, and the literal expression. Literal expression, it means when we have an expression and we have also some letters inside it. Let's move to the statement first. When we say the half of n, it means, what do you mean by the half of n? It means n divided by 2. The double of a, it means 2 times a, or a times 2, it's the same. So we have to multiply a by 2. Triple of b, what do you mean by the triple of b? Yes, when we multiply b by 3. Increased by 6. What do you mean by increased by 6? Increased by 6, it means we have to add 6 plus 6, it means. Diminished by 4. Diminished, or we can say the difference. It's the same operation that we mean by diminished by 4. It's, yes, minus 4. It's minus 4. Now, if we say the double of x increased by 8, all these statements, about two statements together. Let's move it to be an expression. The double of x, it means 2 times x, right? It means, or x times 2 is the same. It means we have to multiply x by 2, that's it. Increased by 8, increased by 8, it means we have to add 8. So what will be the answer? The double of x increased by 8. The double of x increased by 8. So we can write like this. 2x without putting the operation of multiplication between them. Between the letter and the number, we no need to put anything. It means times. So when we say 2x, it means 2 times x. It's the same. So no need to put the operation of multiplication between the letter and the number. Directly when we say when we see 2x, it means we have to say 2 times x. So we can delete the times, the operation of multiplication here, because when we see directly 2x, it means 2 times x. It's the same. Okay. Let's solve the following expression. It's about an expression. 45 minus 3 times 6 plus 5. We have to follow the order of operation. As we said, we have to start by the parenthesis, then the power, then the operation of addition, multiplication and division. At the end, we have to do the operation of addition and subtraction. That's the 4 levels that we have taken about solving an expression in order. Here, what do we have? Do we have a parenthesis? No. Do we have a power? No. Do we have multiplication or division? Yes. We have 3 times 7. So we have to start by doing 3 times 7 first, which is 18. And we get down 45 and the 5 as it. Now, here we have plus and minus. We have addition and subtraction. We have to start from left to right because we have they are two in the same level, in the fourth level. So we have to start first by 45 minus 18. It's 27. Then I add 5 together. It will be 32. That's how we solve the expression. Did you remember? We have to follow the order of operation. We have to start first by the parentheses, then the power, then the operations of multiplication and division, and at the fourth level we have addition and subtraction in order. Can you solve this expression? Oh, it's not an expression, it's a literal expression. It's a literal expression. We can't solve it. Why we can't solve it? Because we have a letter here. But can you solve this literal expression now if I give you x equal 4? So instead of x, you have to write 4. Instead of the letter x, you have to write the number or the digit 4 instead of the letter x. So if I didn't give you any number here for the x, any value of the x, you can't solve it. But if I give you the value of x, for example, x equal 4 or x equal 3 or x equal 2, the value of x I will give you to solve this expression, literal expression. Now let's solve it. So x equal 4. When we see x here, we have to write 4 instead of x. Let's solve it. So for x equal 4, we have to solve 10 minus 5 plus x divided by 2. So instead of x, what do we have to write? 4. Because if I give you here x equal 2, so instead of x, you have to write 2, for example. But here we have x equal 4, so instead of x, we have to write 4. Do we have another x in the expression, algebraic expression here? No, we don't have. Just this x, I replace it by 4. Now let's continue. From here, we have to continue by following the order of operation to solve this expression. We have to start first by the division, because it's more powerful than addition and subtraction. It's in the level 3. The addition and subtraction in the level 4. So we have to start by 4 divided by 2, it's 2. Then we have here addition and subtraction in the same level. We have to start from left to right. It's 10 minus 5, 5 plus 2, and the answer will be 7. That's how we solve an algebraic expression or literal expression when we have a letter. But again, we have to take the value of this letter and to put it in the expression. And now, can you solve it, please, this expression? For y equal to, it means we have to replace the letter y by 2 in this algebraic expression. If we put it like this, 52 minus 3 plus 1, we get 49 plus 1, 50. Or if we have to put 5 times 2 minus 3 plus 1. Which one is correct? Which one is correct between them? It's 5 times 2 or 52? Yes, it's 5 times 2, because we said that when we have a letter and a number, between them we have the operation of multiplication. So it's not 52, it's wrong. So it's 5 times 2, it becomes 10. And we continue solving as usual. 10 minus 3 plus 1 is 7 plus 1 is 8. So please pay attention here to don't put 52, it's 5 times 2. So you can do the application. Page 75, number 1 and 2. Page 79, number 1, 2, and 3. And page 80, number 8 and 9. Good luck.